In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change WordPress admin URLs. You can easily go to the login area of a WordPress website by adding /wp-admin after the website's URL. As easy as this is to find, it also creates a risk of hacking, as this format is similar for all the WordPress sites. So today, I'll show you how to change the admin URL. I'll just log into my website's dashboard. We'll be using a plugin for this, so I'll just go to my plugins. And here I have this plugin called WPS Hide Login. I've already installed it, so I'll go ahead and activate this plugin. You'll also need to install and activate the plugin. So if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. So after the plugin is activated, go to Settings and click on WPS Hide Login. Now, in the General Settings, scroll down to Hide Login Settings. And here you can change the login URL. So here, just enter what you want the URL to be. And the redirection URL is where a user will be redirected to if they try to access the login area of your website with the old URL. Then click on Save Settings. And now you can see that the login URL is changed. So I'll just log out. And you can see the login URL is changed. And if I try to log in using the previous login URL format, then I'm redirected to an Error 404 page. And if I type the login format we created, then I have the option to log into my dashboard. This is how you can change WordPress admin URLs. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.